Hey guys, I would like to show you how to replace a carbon air filter on this 2014 Honda CR-V. Okay, it's right behind the glove box. Just open the glove box and release this highlight the dampener. Yeah, just push it down and push this one in and also this one in at the same time, right? Push in like this. At the same time you will bring it down. Yeah, so right there the cover, and release this at the same time, or you can do it one side at a time, and it's come out that the cover here is the carbon air filter. Yeah, see, it's very dirty. Yeah, so and here the new filter, you see the arrow, that's the airflow direction. Yeah, so we make sure we check that on every carbon air filter, have that arrow. So slide it in and put the cover back. It's clipped in on both ends of the clip here. Yeah, and we push back the glove box, just push it in, and now hook it back the damper. So this one just make the glove box is not falling down like very fast. Yeah, it's good. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.